Wanted that frog a little bit, don't you think? Thanks, buddy. That live target frog, first one. Wasn't recording. Been a rough day. Look at this guy's. Look at that guy's spine. It's crazy looking. I've never seen that before. Those things are super sharp. Piranha. Little fatty. Wasn't recording. It's been a tough day. Thanks, buddy. Try that again.
Yo, what's up, Fredsters? Welcome back to another fun day fishing with Fred. So I was actually about to head to Dick's Sporting Goods and get some supplies, because tomorrow I'm heading out with the family and we're going to do some fishing up in the mountains, and I had to pick up some stuff. So I was thinking while I was there, we should do some kind of challenge video, because you guys really like that stranger challenge video where I had a stranger pick my lure and see if I could catch a fish with it. You guys really like that, so I kind of want to do something like that, but then I kind of want to change it up a little bit too. So today I was thinking that we go over there, we get our stuff that I think we're going to need for tomorrow, and then we're going to find someone that works in the fishing department at Dick's Sporting Goods, because I want someone that knows a little bit about fishing, because I know a lot of people have been doing the stranger lure challenge where you pick someone that has no idea anything about fishing, but today I want to pick someone's brain, so I want someone that knows just a little bit about fishing. They don't have to know too much, just a little bit. So this is how it's gonna happen. I'm gonna go over there, get our stuff, and then I'm gonna find someone that's willing to do this, and then I'm gonna tell them the situation that we're gonna be faced with, the conditions we're gonna be fishing, and I want to pick their brain and see how they would interpret the situation, what they would do to fish that spot, and we're gonna pick up those lures and see if we can catch a fish on them today. So I think it's gonna be a real fun day. So hopefully you guys like it. But I'll see you guys at Dick's Sporting Goods.
Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all okay. Today.
Let's see how many weird looks I get today. I already feel the air conditioning, it feels great. Are you? Yeah. There's one. Alright guys, so this weekend, tomorrow, we're actually going to be fishing a lot of heavy cover, a lot of hydrilla. And I think the best bet to catch fish tomorrow is going to be flipping, pitching, and punching. So I'm here to get some creature baits that my nephew and my wife could use. And get some weights and some braid and some heavy equipment, because like I said, it's heavy grass. It's not bad, $9.99 for some braid. So I think that should be enough to fill up 2 reels. Oh! We got some other braid here too. I've actually used this braid before and it's not bad. I like this braid. I've never used a Daiwa braid before. I think I'm gonna go with the Field and Stream. Alright, so 65-pound braid because we're gonna be fishing some super thick grass. Next is some weights, but that's where he's at, so let's go get some creature baits. So we're gonna be flipping some kind of creature baits, so I'm trying to find something that is gonna go through the cover easily. Something with not a lot of appendages that's gonna get hung up in the grass, because when you get something kind of like, that's not too bad, but something with a lot of tails on it, like a brush hog or something, that stuff's gonna get wrapped in the grass, and you're probably gonna lose some tentacles and have to put on a new bait and waste more than you catch. So we're gonna find something that's kind of streamlined and it's gonna go through that weeds real nicely. So I don't really This looks pretty good. Kind of like that. It's only $2.99 too. Crispy critter. I think that might work, guys. For them, for $2.99, you can't really beat that. I say we try the Christy Critter, and then we try the Christy Crawl. I know this is kind of a weird color, but I know there's some golden shiners in there, so hopefully these that shine on there will work. So that's what we got so far. Some creature baits, so we need some weights for them. Let's just look around a little bit more. And then after we're done picking our stuff, we're going to find that employee. And then we're going to pick his brain about how he would fish hydrilla in the thick grass. Alright, so I didn't really want to even do that challenge there because they were really low on stuff and I couldn't even find an employee. So we're going to go to Sportsman's warehouse. I probably should have went there before. Should have went there in the beginning, but we're going to go over there. We're going to find an employee there because they're a lot friendlier. And they got some better stuff over there because they really didn't have anything right there. We're going to go over to Sportsman's warehouse, see if we can get this challenge done. Alright, stop number dos. Should've just came here in the first place. Look at all these plastics compared to Dick's Sporting Goods. It's crazy. Yeah. You cool with being on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, so I'm doing like a little challenge today. I make videos. And today I want to do I want to tell you what kind of situation I'm going to be faced with. Alright. And then you're going to choose what I'm going to fish with for the day. I want to see if I can catch a fish with it. Alright. So I'm going to a pond and it's covered in hydrilla, like really thick hydrilla. It's got cattails, it's got dragonweed, it's got everything pretty much. And it's a small pond, it's probably deep, like 4 to 5 feet is the max depth, but it's covered in hydrilla. What would you do?
First thing I would throw would be some frogs, actually, if you have a rod that's able to throw them.
Yeah, some hollow body frogs.
Yeah. Should have those guys over here, actually. So yeah, and really any of these will work. I know the ones with shorter tails tend to have more of a hookup ratio because they like to bite out the tail, so.
Any color?
I would go with either like the blue one right there or I like using the green ones as well. Black doesn't seem to work as well for me, but I know people do use them.
So if they're not willing to come up to the surface to get the frog, what would you do next?
Definitely throw something weedless, maybe like a Texas rig, Senko.
Because I got some frogs, you know what I mean? I don't want to.
Yeah.
But I just want to see what would you do if they weren't hitting the frog kind of thing?
I like throwing a baby bass Senko. My go-to size would be like a 5-inch.
5-inch baby bass?
Yeah, baby bass or anything with like a red flake in it usually seems to work out for me. So maybe something like this. If we even have any baby bass. See it up there in the 6-inch. But yeah, throw it Texas rig.
Weightless?
You said how deep was it?
It's like 5 feet max, maybe.
Maybe throw a couple split shots on it just to punch through or whatever.
Okay.
Whatever you're on top of.
Well, sweet. I'll take that one then. And go see if I can catch some fish with some Senkos.
Oh yeah.
Well, my name is Fishing with Fred.
Colby.
Kobe. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
So this is what he chose. Some Senkos. We're gonna go drag them on those grass flats. See if we can get some today. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
No problem. I'll subscribe to you on YouTube.
Thanks, man. Take it easy. All right, guys. There it is. Good old Stinkos. I didn't want to get a frog because I already got a ton of frogs. And they didn't have a frog here that I wanted, but we got the Stinkos. Sorry, buddy. I thought you were bigger than that. I'm sorry, dude. I crushed you. Sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to hook set you that bad. Sorry, bud. A little unnecessary, but you were in that thick stuff, so thanks, bud. Whew. Oh, it's not a bad one either. Oh, get out of there, buddy. Get out of there, buddy. Get out of there, buddy. Get out of there. Oh. Whew. On that Cinco. Thanks, Colby. Ooh, I got him. Gola hooked him. There we go. There's that fish on that worm. Gola hooked him a little bit. So let's get him back in the water. This water's really warm. Alright. Just want to kind of make sure he's going to be alright. Yeah, he's going to be fine. Come here, buddy. Let me help you out. Oh, almost fell in. Come here, buddy. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to go hook you. He didn't leave. Let's go get some cleaner water. You seem lively, but I don't know if that water is just too warm for him or if he just can't get out from that spot. But not a bad one. I just hope he gets back in the water. He's gonna help me out here. Get me in the deep water. Let's go this way, buddy. Go that way. Sweet, guys. I think he's gonna be fine. Oh, scared me. He's just gonna hang out in the shade right here and then recuperate a little bit. I'm pretty sure he's gonna be fine. Pretty sure you guys can't see him, but he's like nose down here. He's like nose down on the bank. Alright guys, well I walked up on, there he is. I walked up on this, these two bluegill right here. They made a bed right here. See if the other one comes back too. That's a better one. Heck yeah. Colby. Colby. Thanks, buddy. Pretty solid fish. Good 2.5. Let me get this out of you. He just keeps shaking. This is a meaty fish. Ooh, I got my finger with you. Sorry, buddy, I'm trying to pop this hook out, but I can't. Oh, I hooked you pretty good. There you go. On that Cinco, he just won't stop moving. All right, dude. Just put you. Oh, gosh, dude. Thanks. I was gonna throw you out, but I guess you didn't need it. God. Freaking. Look what that guy just did to me right now. Made me look like I peed my pants. Heck yeah, Fredsters. We're doing it. Thanks, Colby. Not sure which one it was, but thanks, man. They're not really eating the frog. They're not really going for the punch. It's the second one we got on that worm. So, weightless. So we're gonna keep doing that. I lost my worm, so I'm gonna put on a new one. Straight up Texas rig. Weightless. There we go. Just a worm and a hook. That's all it took. Since I'm letting this worm fall on a slack line, meaning the line's not tight when I'm letting it fall, it's got that bow in it, I'm always going to watch that line because I saw him bite before I even felt it because I was watching the line. I saw the line jerk a little bit. Throw one over here. I can't see over there though, so I don't know where the holes are. We'll just have to feel our way around with this worm. Oh, thought I got a hit right now, but what the hell? Oh yeah, it was just some weed. I don't know if he's still there or not. Saw him right there. He hit it again. How's it going?
Any luck?
I caught a couple.
Really?
Yeah. Trying to get this one to bite again.
What kind of bait you using?
I was just using a Cinco.
Cinca?
Yeah, just a little worm.
I got some more over there. Some live bait.
Oh yeah, they'll eat them here.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's
This is our first time, and we're having a hell of a time to get it started.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if you can help.
Yeah,
us
I
out,
can help you
man.
guys out. Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually them. It's the first time, and man, I'm not prepared. I just stopped at Big Five and picked up 2 of these rods, but I'm just.
Yeah, I'll help you guys. Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Let me do one more cast with this guy right here. Let me try to get him, and I'll go over there with you guys right now.
All right, cool, man. Thank you.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go help these guys out real quick.
Here's one fishing rod. And I did that earlier, man. I don't think that's near what it's supposed to be.
Fish are kind of dumb. They'll eat anything every now and again, but you guys are using live worms today, or?
We have actually we bought this little thing. There's power bait. There's this bait here, and then there's also the power bait. It's in here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure which one to use.
I accidentally kill them or something, then I'll take them and give them to someone. But
yeah, we're out there. I was getting so frustrated, man. I was like, man,
that's no fun, huh?
No, I should have brought somebody, or my wife's like, there's a guy down there, go ask him.
Yeah, I'm friendly, man. So we'll steal this. Show you guys real quick the knot. This is a simple knot. This is like the first knot I learned, and I use it. I still use it today. Just gonna put it through the hole, just like that, and then hold that little loop with your finger. That way, you can create like a little hole right there, and then you're gonna go towards you. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 7, 5, 6, 7, and since you have your finger right there, it's gonna have that little hole.
Oh, okay.
So then we're gonna put that through the hole, the tag in, and then we're gonna come right back through this hole. And then let it down, and then just pull it all together. That's called the clinch knot. And then we'll steal this bobber back. And this right here, this is gonna be your tension here to tension the line. So if you have it super loose, it's gonna go, but if you tighten it, it's gonna be a little harder to pull.
Yeah.
So you kind of want it a little bit tight, a little bit loose, just so the fish can run with it. The bigger the fish, the more you got to work with it. But
That one's set.
just got to put a worm on it. That's it.
All right, Fresters, just woke up. Stayed up a little late putting this video together for you guys, but I had to because I'm going to head out today, and I needed to make some room on my phone. So hopefully that quick edit turned out pretty good because I did it pretty fast. So hopefully you guys like it. So anyways, I had an awesome day. It seems like every day I head out to fish, I meet someone new. Someone that watches my videos, or someone that I gain to watch my videos. It's really cool to meet new people, and doing this YouTube thing is allowing me to meet a ton of people, and that's awesome. And it's awesome to see people taking their kids fishing. It always pumps me up, and I'm always willing to help someone that is trying to get their kids or their family members into fishing. So I just want to say thank you guys for coming back to the channel, checking out my videos. If you guys really like this style of challenge videos where I go and ask people their interpretations of fish in a situation, let me know by liking the video or shoot me a comment down below if I should do it again, what store I should do it at, whatever. But I just want to say thank you guys once again for fishing with Fred. Until the next video, you guys have fun, catch fish. I'll see you guys next time.